Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyid al-Mursaleen. Amma ba'd, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another edition of Questions and Answers brought to you by Info A Media. Now, one of the questions that we've got today is a question that probably affects quite a few of us. Is how do we join the salah when there is Jama'ah and we are running late? Now, Alhamdulillah, we have a busy lives and we fall into the situation that we come to the masjid, the Jama'at has already started. It might be four fard, for example, they might have already read one or two. We're coming late, okay? And there's a correct way of actually joining that Jama'at. And we're here with our resident Imam Sahib to actually clarify the actual proper technique for joining that Jama'at.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Before I mention the method of joining with Imam, I want to mention some of the mistake people commit when they join Imam, because I'm Imam as well, so sure. I have experienced people when they want to join, especially when Imam is in ruku, so they want to get that rakat. Sure. First of all, what is a rakat, and when a rakat is classified as a rakat, a person has got that rakat. So whenever you join Imam in ruku, and whenever you get Imam and find Imam and join Imam in ruku, that means that you have got that rakat. You don't need to perform that rakat when you finish your namaz, when Imam finishes his namaz.
So you've made it for that particular
you have made, yeah. So when Imam is in ruku, the people, they want to get and join Imam, get in namaz and join Imam because they don't want to miss their rakat, so they start running in the masjid.
That's right.
It's allowed. It's
Absolutely.
not allowed.
It's totally forbidden to run in the masjid. So,
yeah, it's not allowed.
To be honest, I have seen that. Sometimes I was late to the Jama'at, I have to admit, and there's other brothers as well, and they are running. They're actually sprinting in the masjid. And the other thing is you can hear them, and it makes a lot of noise as well, which distracts a lot of the other people.
So we shouldn't run, just walk calmly. And then how to join Imam when Imam is in ruku? So first of all, you need to perform, people perform only one takbir, Allahu Akbar, and then they go to ruku.
Right.
So their namaz is not started because they have to perform two takbirs.
Right.
First takbir would be takbir tahriman. That takbir is just to get in namaz.
Into the salah.
So when you say Allahu Akbar, some people say Allahu Akbar, then they fold their hands. The ruling which is mentioned in Fatawa Shami, that you only fold your hand while standing when you have to recite some of the Quran, or Imam has to recite some of the Quran.
Right.
But because Imam is in ruku, so you don't need to recite anything of Quranic recitation.
Right.
So you don't need to fold your hands after the first takbir.
Right.
Because after the first takbir, you just need to go down in ruku. So then you don't need to fold your hands. So say Allahu Akbar, leave your hand, and then you perform second takbir straight away. Allahu Akbar. The second takbir will be to go into ruku.
Right. So you actually need two takbirs.
Two takbirs. So you don't, when you say Allahu Akbar first takbir, you make sure that you are standing erect and straight.
Sure.
You don't say Allahu Akbar and you go down, because first takbir you have to pronounce properly. So while you pronounce first takbir, the moment and the time you're spending in standing, that is classified as you have performed your qiyam as well.
Right.
Which is fard.
It's fard.
So qiyam is first. So the time you spend to say Allahu Akbar in standing, that means your first takbir is performed and your standing is performed, and then you go to ruku. So if you join Imam in ruku, then you have got raka'at. If Imam already stood up, and then you missed your raka'at, you need to make it up.
MashaAllah. There's some very good lessons there, brothers and sisters. The first one is obviously the takbir, because if you don't get the first takbir right, you're technically not in prayer. So it's very, very important that we do that right. Jazakallah khair. Keep watching Q&A. Please keep sending your questions to the email address below, and we'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you like this video, please give it a like and a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Share it with your friends, your family and your children, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We'll see you next time. Keep watching and spread the blessings to everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.